welcome back to another math tutorial. Ang video natin today is about math tricks. Just for fun, we have to add or subtract a fraction using butterfly method. Now, bago tayo mag-proceed, isolve ko muna yung last problem na binigay ko sa inyo about the quadratic equation. Solve for x. Now, the equation 2x squared plus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0 daw. We have to solve this one using quadratic formula. Bakit? Kasi hindi siya ma-factor. Kung ganito lang sana yan siya, halimbawa, x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0, ito pwede ito ma-factor into x plus 3 times x plus 3. Yan. Pwede na sana siya ma-factor na ganun. So, x therefore is equal to minus 3. Yan ang sagot. Pero hindi eh. Itong equation na to cannot be factored like this. So, we will use the quadratic formula. So, yan ang rason kung bakit gagamitin natin ang quadratic formula dahil hindi ito ma-factor. Now, what is this B, A, and C? Base dito sa equation na to, ang coefficients nila, that represents A, B, and C. So, this one, the first coefficient, this is the A. The second coefficient, which is equal to 6. And the third coefficient, which is equal to 4. So, A, B, and this is C. Therefore, ang A nito is equal to 2, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 4. Now, meron na tayong A, B, C. So, pwede natin i-substitute na lang dito sa quadratic formula which is equal to X is equal to minus b, which is equal to minus 6, plus or minus b squared, which is equal to 6 squared, minus 4 times a, which is equal to 2, and c, which is equal to 4, over 2 times the a, which is equal to 2. Now, of course, to simplify this one, minus 6 plus or minus 6 squared is 36. Minus 4 times 2, which is equal to 8 times 4 is 32. So, 36 minus 32 divided by 4. Simplifying this one, x therefore is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. Now, somebody got the correct answer, pero iisa lang sinagot niya, minus 1. Pero i-consider ko na lang yan. Congratulations to Regina King, kasi ang sagot niya is x is equal to minus 1. So again, I will give you one question to be answered here in the premiere. It is age word problem. Miloy ex-girlfriend is 3 times as old as his sister. In 10 years, Miloy's ex will be 1 year less than twice his sister's age. How old is each now? Again, Miloy ex-girlfriend is 3 times as old as his sister. In 10 years, Miloy's x will be 1 year less than twice his sister's age. How old is each now? So, ito ang topic natin today. Solve the following fractions. Nagbigay ako ng 4 na samples, addition or subtraction. Using butterfly method, this is a math trick. Salamat sa 5-minute craft channel at doon ko natutunan itong math trick na to using butterfly method. Kung bakit butterfly? Kasi we will solve this one like this. It's true that it's like a butterfly, and like this, and of course, and this one, like this. So, now it's look like a butterfly. So, what we will do, 14 times 7 is equal to 98. So, this is 98. And 15 times 2 is equal to 30. Now, 15 times 7 is equal to 35, is equal to 105. Therefore, this one here, we have to minus. Now, what will happen? The product of this one, which is 105, so this is 105, and the 198 minus 30 is equal to 68. So, this is the answer for this one. How about another example? Again, if we will draw like a butterfly, so this one here, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, 5 times 1 is equal to 5, and 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So this is minus, therefore, this one is 20, this one down is 20, and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So yan ang sagot nito. 2 over 5 minus 1/4. Now another problem, it is about the sum. So the question number 3, 11, 3 times 12. So, 11 times 8 is equal to 88. 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Now, 12 times 8 is equal to 96. Therefore, our answer is 96, and 88, this is plus this time because this is sum. Unlike before, it is minus, so up it will be minus. So 88 minus plus 36 is equal to 1, 2, 4. So if we will reduce this one, it will become, we can reduce it divided by 4. So this is 31 over 24. Yes, we can reduce this one divided by this one by 4 divided by 4. So it will be result to 31 divided by 24. And the last one, 2 times 5, 7 times 1. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. And this one plus, of course, because this is sum. And 7 times 5 is equal to 35. Therefore, this is 35 down and up. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. This is the answer for this one. 2 over 7 plus 1 over 5. Shout out sa lahat ng mga supporters, members, at saka super chatters. Kung wala kayo, wala sana ako ngayon. Thanks a lot.
it's DJ.